lost files from your USB storage? Here's what you can do. Important tips after you lost files. Stop using the USB card. Don't add or copy files to it. Recover as soon as possible. Step 1. Connect the USB drive to the computer. Step 2. After the USB is detected, press Windows plus R key and type CMD to open the command prompt. Step 3. Type chkdsk space the name of the drive you want to check space /F. This will scan the entire drive. Step 4. Type attrib space the following attributes and the location of the file. Windows will attempt to recover your file. This method works sometimes. However, if the method is unsuccessful, follow the next method. Step 1. Connect the USB drive on the computer. Step 2. After the USB is detected, open the USB in File Explorer and click the History button under the Home tab. If your file is backed up by Windows, it will be displayed here in the File History program. Step 3. Select the version of the file that you want to recover and click on the Restore icon to recover the file. These are the two common ways on how to recover deleted files from the USB drive. But what if you have formatted the USB drive? In this case, we recommend you to use professional USB data recovery software. There are many choices in the market, and the best one would be Altphone Windows Data Recovery. This software is 100% secure and easy to use. The software supports the recovery of photos, videos, documents, and any other files from USB. It helps to recover files from USB with 3 steps. Let's see how it works to recover files from USB drive. Step 1. Run this program after installation and select the USB drive on the main interface. Click on the Scan button. Step 2. Wait for the program to complete the scan. This progress may take a while depending on data size. Step 3. Find the lost files and click on Recover. These are the 3 methods to recover files from USB drive. If you find this helpful, please give a thumbs up on this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.